So after 6 months of living in my apartment, I finally unpacked. Finally finished unpacking. So here's my room tour. Apartment that I've had for 10 months. So this is my little purse holder. I also keep like other stuff on here. Like, you know, 100 pairs of scrunchies because I need that many. My fan because that has nowhere to go. A lamp in the middle of a room because that has nowhere to go. And another light because I have literally no lights. Rude, right? I have some purses hung here, some random purses hung there. A mess, but that's like a dresser and another dresser and another dresser. Some stickers that my mom was very mad at me for putting them on here, but I literally did this as like a 20-year-old, so whatever. My little cute dresser with all my little Polaroids. Some keys. More bags because I literally have so many. And my photo wall that I had to take some out for, you know, public reasons. And here's my bed. My tiny ass bed that this apartment came with. It's literally terrible. Springs in my back. Springs in my rib cage. I have flipped it. I've tried everything. I just sleep on pillows because it's literally terrible. So that was that. It was supposed to come with a desk, but it didn't. And it also came with 2 side tables that I put in the living room because I didn't want them because I clearly already have enough furniture. So this is for my makeup. Clearly I ran out of space for my purse. My mini fridge, some stuff. I'll show you guys what's in my mini fridge, but like it's very crowded right now. Obviously stocked on the Dr. Pepper and water and just some leftover beers from some parties. It's tiny. Literally like it's so small. But yeah, this is my room. My first apartment room. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. I'm sure a lot, but I mean not really. I can't really miss much because it's this big. And so here I have another little wall of photos. And then this. I'm moving again in 2 months, so I'll probably put some pictures around that thing. But yeah, this is my apartment room. I'll show you guys the balcony real quick too, but nothing else because I've already shown that. This is my balcony. Literally after months and months of living here, we put this stuff out here like a week ago. Cans for my Dr. Pepper. A pool that we can't go in because, you know, quarantine. So yeah, this is my cute little balcony. Just finally started spending time out here.